Hi everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick tip on using the hypothesis annotation tool. Came across this because Kim mentioned that this link wasn't working, so I changed the link and wanted to kind of walk you through it real quick. So if I click on this link right here, this is just going to open up the EdSurge website in a new tab. And you'll notice that EdSurge has a secure site, and you'll notice that by the lock icon up here and also the HTTPS. So it's important that you actually see both of those, because the lock icon actually indicates that your browser has verified the security certificate, or just having HTTPS doesn't necessarily mean that. But anyway, we are on the EdSurge website here now, and it's not coming up automatically in Hypothesis because I think of the secure nature of this website, but the tool actually does work. So if you look up here in my Chrome browser menu, you'll see all my extensions that I have installed here, and here's the Hypothesis extension. And notice it's badged with the number 1, and there's one annotation. So if I click on a website that I want to annotate, notice it goes from a really light gray to a really dark gray, and now it's on. And I will just pull out the toolbar here, and you can see that I've left one annotation here. And you can see that's just down here. And you can go ahead and use the annotation tool. Let's say I wanted to annotate Quora, so I can click over here and click annotate. And then I want to type out my message, and then I want to make sure it says post to hybrid online summer 16 versus public. So up here you would be able to change it. Here's the public annotations, whereas here is the hybrid online, just our group. And so hopefully that helps you there. If I go back to the course, you know that this link right here will automatically launch in Hypothesis. And if you look at the URL, you'll see that basically all Hypothesis is doing is pre-appending via hypothes.is to the URL, and then the rest of the URL is there. But this faculty focus site doesn't have a secure certificate. So it doesn't have the same problem of not being able to display automatically. So the tool's automatically launched here, because what I did to share this was I just basically clicked on the share URL here, and I copied that URL. And to go back here, that's the URL right here. It's a share URL versus the first one right here just being a regular URL. So that should clue you in on a couple of subtleties here and some behind the scenes stuff if you want to use the Hypothesis tool that you'll kind of have to be aware of. Hopefully that helps. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me.